Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to this video and my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and do like the video if it resonates with you. So today I'm just providing you with a reading. I have pulled out some oracle cards to check on the energetic alignment for you this week, and one card that brings in a message, a suggestion from the universe in terms of what alignment you can create, what alignment you can choose and thus create for yourself, and the third card which will describe how the energy in the week is progressing and how the week ends for you. What note does the week end for you? So those who watch this video immediately, or if you watch this video later on, please know that it stays relevant for you. Whenever you watch this video, and the message that comes through in this reading, in this video, stays relevant to you whenever you watch it. So, in terms of the time period, it is timeless. So there is no time bound energy to this reading. So let's start. I have pulled out cards from the deck called Sacred Traveler deck by Denise Linn, and the first card that comes up is Crossing Bridges. This describes the current energy of your week. And the message here is it's time for healing, connecting, mending, and releasing. So when I look at this card, I feel that you are at a crossroad. It feels like you are crossing over into a new cycle, a new beginning. And this card is reminding you to let go of the old story. If there is something that you have been holding on to, maybe some anger or some grievances or the old story where you felt like a victim, this card is reminding you to let go of that old story, because this is the time for you to move forward into empowerment, knowing that you are the one who can create the kind of life you want. Only you can do it. Holding on to the old story doesn't help you anymore. It doesn't empower you. So it is the time for you, it is the right time for you to let go of the old story and cross the bridge, quite literally. Cross to the other side and choose to move forward. So if you have been holding on to any, feelings of pain and hurt, go inside yourself, connect with your inner being, connect with your inner child, and ask yourself, how can I release this pain and hurt? And if you do not know how, take help, take professional help. Ask someone to help you move across, help you cross the bridge into a new story where you feel more empowered, where you know that you are in control, in charge of how your life looks like. So let go of the pain and the old story. If you cannot right now, at least address it this week, so that you do not carry this old energy into your life moving forward. So the suggestion that the universe is sending you, the message that the universe is sending you so that you can work on something, again, create a new alignment, is this card called View from Above. View from above, get the big picture. Now, it seems that because you are so involved with what has been happening or what has happened in the past, you have not been able to look at things clearly. It seems that even in the situations where you have felt like a victim, there has been some gain. You have received some very important life lessons, some very important information for your growth and expansion that you're not looking at right now. So the universe is asking you to step back from the involvement in this situation. Step back. Look at this as a third party. So broaden your perspective, look at it from afar and see what did you gain from this experience. What did you gain in the process? In the experience that you've had so far, what have you gained? What have you learned? How has your consciousness expanded? And choose to gain from it, choose to learn from it, choose to expand your consciousness from that experience. And when you do that, you'll be able to ascend into a new awareness, a new understanding, and that will help you to cross the bridge. It will help you to move forward into a new reality. Now, how does the week end for you? This is the card that comes up, and the message here is discovering truth. You stand in the light of truth. So moving forward in the next 1 week's time, I see a lot of awareness and understanding being created because of the fact that you have stepped back from the experience. You have stepped back and you are looking at things with a new perspective. You are now seeing the truth of situations that you weren't before. So it's like your eyes are opening wide and you are looking at things in a different way and seeing the absolute truth in every situation. This will bring you a lot of relief. It will bring you a lot of peace, and you will be able to make choices that make you feel better, that empower you, that give you a new perspective and understanding, and that will help you move forward in your life. That will help you create changes, create shifts in your life. So it's a wonderful week where you are going to feel more empowered, and anything that you were struggling with or something that you felt was a challenge, you are going to gain a new perspective on that, and you are going to feel the feeling of relief set in. You are going to feel as if you are crossing over into a better time because of the fact that you are no longer wanting to carry the old energy into your life. So you're going to make some good changes, and that's a wonderful thing. You're going to make some good changes in your mindset that is going to help you, assist you to move forward. So I hope this reading resonates with you. Please do share it with others. Please share the video with others, and share it with your friends and family so that more people can watch this video. It reaches more people, and you never know who might benefit from hearing this message today. Have a wonderful day. Stay blessed.